Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the Discover Bank mobile banking application. Discover Bank is an online institution within a financial services company that offers various banking products including credit cards, personal loans and as well as student loans. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Play Store application. Here you need to go to the search bar and you type in for a Discover Bank. Here you can see the application at very top. Beside of it, you can see the option of install. You tap on install and wait for the application to be fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you tap and open and you go in for using the banking application. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can download and install the Discover Bank mobile banking application. Thank you.